This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, I will walk you through the steps for claiming your Amazon warranty. Let's dive in. Please visit our website where you can see the summary of the warranty claim process put forth by Amazon in 3 simple steps. As you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the means to contact the customer support team. They can be reached via email or phone call. The phone number is 888-280-4331, which is available 24/7. You can contact the customer support team by clicking on the second link, www.amazon.com. An extensive range of sections has been provided on the support page. To access every section, you need to have an account. After creating an account, you can report the problems you are facing via online chat or phone. They will provide troubleshooting tips after hearing your issues. If the troubleshooting tips do not resolve the issue, they will arrange for a replacement to be delivered to you. Before we conclude, remember that if you ever encounter difficulties or have questions about the warranty process, you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've assisted numerous customers before, and we're here to assist you too. I'm here to support you anytime.